everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shayla, and I just proclaimed myself as the to be determined later of the potato community. So if you'd love to join this potato community that we have, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications whenever I upload so you can be notified whenever your favorite potato uploads. I hate myself.
Hi. So long story short about the voiceovers, this is what I called myself, and I had no idea that that's what it meant. So we're just gonna change it because that's obviously not what I am. End of story.
Today's video is going to be me attempting to do my makeup with my non-dominant hand, which is my right hand. For all of you that don't know, I'm left-handed, so you probably don't care, but I recently just had surgery on my wrist. I had like a little cyst that I wanted to get removed. It's not harmful, don't worry, I'm fine. I have very limited mobility with my left hand anyway, so I've kind of had to adapt and use my non-dominant hand to do everything, which is very difficult. Brushing my teeth is weird, eating is weird, literally anything I do with my right hand is so weird. But I've never done my makeup with my opposite hand because I just have not been doing my makeup because I'm just lazy and it's too hard to do with the other hand, I suppose. So here's what I keep rambling. Okay, here is me going to attempt to do my makeup with my non-dominant hand. Without further ado, let's get started with this video. Lighting is not the best in the world, but we're just gonna make do with what we got going on here. For added protection so that I don't use my left hand, or I'm tempted to use my left hand, I'm just gonna put on my sling that the hospital gave to me. So this is what I was looking like for the past like 2 weeks. I had a splint on my hand, but they took it off at my last appointment, which was a couple days ago. So now I'm just left with these bandages protecting the incision and the stitches that are in my hand. Now that we have our hand on lockdown, let's try to get into doing my makeup. The first thing that I do to do a full face of makeup is primer. The Benefit Professional Primer. Attempt to do this. This is so difficult. Okay. I mostly focus my primer in the T-zone because that's where I get oily the most. Primer's on. Now we're gonna move on to foundation. I use the Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 350. By the way, I'm gonna put a picture on the screen of the look I'm trying to recreate right here. I guess I should, you know, have my life together before I try to film a YouTube video, but like, when do I ever have my life together? If you haven't seen my last video of me attempting to clean my room, go ahead and check it out. I will leave it in the card. I think it's there, so you can see how much of a mess my life is, which is always. I don't even know if this is my color anymore. I look like an orange. This is definitely not my color anymore. Yikes. Probably should have put my hair up too, but like, whatever. How do people make these videos entertaining? How do you entertain people? I'm not entertaining unless my life is falling apart. Well, I mean, I guess my life is constantly falling apart, so. Definitely not my color. Oh my god, I look so orange on camera. Okay, I promise I'm not this orange in real life. Gotta get those double chins. I swear I don't look this orange in real life. For my concealer, I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey under my eye. I don't put a lot. And then I cover up any dark spots or pimples I have. My skin's actually been looking pretty good lately. I'm proud of it. Blend that in. By the way, I really don't know what I'm doing with makeup, especially with eyeshadow. I think eyeshadow is definitely the worst thing for me because I literally don't know what I'm doing. But as long as I put on eyelashes, you'll never know. Okay, next I just set my concealer and my foundation with MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in Dark. Oh, this is difficult. Oh, this is so hard. Alright, well, that's good enough for me. Next is the most crucial part in my makeup routine, and that, my friends, is eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I just take the spoolie of my e.l.f. pencil and I just brush out my eyebrows. Thank God I just got my eyebrows done yesterday because they were looking like a caterpillar. And now I'm gonna take the Benefit Brow Gel color in the number 5. I like to follow the arch and then lightly fill in the front. not too bad. Now we're just gonna flick the brush up. Okay, not too bad, not too shabby. That's one eyebrow. And then we'll just brush her out. Okay, wait, those are pretty good brows. Watch out, left hand. The right hand's coming for you. Okay, next I just set my eyebrows with the e.l.f. Like clear brow gel. I'm going to use my MAC bronzing powder as a contour in refined golden. This is where I like to go ham because, you know, if you're part of the potato community, you know that we need to chisel out the jawline and the cheekbones because we're shaped like a potato. Oh god, this is gonna be so bad. You know what this feels like? I feel like a little preschool or a kindergartner dipping their paintbrush in paint. This is exactly what that feels like. It's because you know how kids have like no control of anything in their bodies? That's what I feel like. And now that we look like a clown, blend that in a little bit. Can't really see. I definitely need another bronzer, but I tried. Next, I'm gonna do highlighter. So I'm gonna use my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea highlighting palette, and I'm gonna use the color Sunlight. I like to go ham on the highlighter. So I use my highlighter on top of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, and that's it for now. Next is my eyeshadow. This is where it gets all scary or whatever. So I'm gonna take my Urban Decay, the classic booty guru, whatever the heck, Urban Decay eyeshadow priming potion. I'm gonna blend that in with my ring finger. We are going to do the scariest thing of them all, eyeshadow. Woo! Okay, so I'm gonna take this Morphe 3502 palette. Looks like this. And as a reminder, I'm trying to recreate this look right there. This might not work for me because my eyes, I don't know what kind of eyes I have, but they're not normal makeup good eyes to use. Okay, I have these blending brushes from e.l.f. I'm gonna take the color Orb and blend that all in my crease. Oh god, I feel like a kindergartner trying to do an art project right now. I have no control over my hand. This could be worse, okay? I think the problem with my eyes is that I'm black, so how this eyeshadow looks on that person might not look how it's gonna turn out to be on me. There we go. There's the tea. This is definitely not a tutorial. Please do not follow what I am doing. I don't know what I'm doing, as I've mentioned before. We're gonna take the color Heat, which is right underneath that color, also in the crease. I am terrified. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. Oh, it looks like someone punched me in the face, in the eye. It's a nice little transition color we got going on here. This could be worse. Oh, no, we need to blend that more. You look like a clown, Shayla. Oh, okay, well, that's cool. Oh, here we go. Here's the terrifying part. We're gonna be taking the brightest red. I'm taking this, I think it's MAC. Yeah, MAC 221 SE brush. Don't know if that's what it's made for, but that's what we're gonna use it for. How does one, I can't even do this with my left hand. How am I expecting to do this with my non-dominant hand? Oh my god, I look like a clown. We're gonna take the shade Brave and put that, looks like, in the outer corner right on top of the red. Someone teach me how to do my makeup. Oh, they took glitter. I don't have glitter. The color Pure, it's a glitter in that palette, and we're just gonna put it where they put it. Just as I thought. Trash. Next, they took Polished right next to the gold. Once you put on the eyelash, no one will ever know. Okay, I definitely need to go back and blend some things out. They are done, so we are just gonna blend this really harsh red out. I'm gonna take this Sephora House of Lashes in Sophia, and we are going to attempt to put on some eyelashes today. They put on eyeliner in the photo, but I mean, I'm using black eyelash glue, so I mean, that's like the same thing, right? Sure. Okay, this is where it's gonna get difficult because I use 2 hands for eyelashes. Oh God, oh God, oh my God! Now we're going to wait for the glue to dry. You know, this could be so much worse. I am proud of myself. Here we go, the moment of truth. Say a little prayer first. Dear Jesus, please don't let me mess up on these eyelashes. Amen. Hold it, hold it. I mean, that looks awful, but like, we'll fix it, we'll fix it, we'll fix it. Okay, okay. Wait a minute, wait a minute. I think we did it, y'all. Okay, wait a minute, wait. I did that. Wait a minute, wait. I just put my lashes on with 1 hand. Wait. Is this my new calling? Hello, I'm shook. Okay. But like I said, remember when I said you just gotta put on a lash and no one will ever know? Boom. There you go. You can't even tell that my eyeshadow is really bad. Now that that's over, we did that, ladies and gentlemen. These lashes are definitely way too big for my eyes because I have small eyes, but like, okay. But here is the final look. I think it looks pretty dang good for my first time doing my makeup with 1 hand, everybody. Wait, this actually, it looks pretty good. Who is she? Maybe this needs a little work with the blending and stuff, but like, you can't tell because my eyelashes are too big. So that's gonna be the end of my video today. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. What would I rate it out of 10? I would say this is about an 8. This looks pretty good for what my capabilities are with makeup. So dang girl, dang. And with that, I will say, hi, so this is me editing, and I forgot to ask you guys to leave a comment down below what you would rate my makeup skills. Honest opinions only. I can take it. It's constructive criticism. I know I'm not the best at makeup, but I want to know what you guys thought about my makeup look. So leave a comment down below what you would rate this look on a scale of 1 to 10. Back to my outro. I look like a nun. Don't forget to subscribe right down there, I think. I don't really know. Subscribe down below to see more of my videos. I will be posting more consistently because guess what? I'm unemployed and I have nothing else to do with my life. Yeah. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias linked on the screen right here and also in the description box. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload. And that is all for today. Hope you had a nice day and I hope you try this at your own risk. Bye!